Welcome to the Plancorp Retirement Planner Review, Usage Experience. I've added links to the product in the description below for your convenience. In this video, I'll break down what makes the Plancorp Retirement Planner a noteworthy option, who it's best suited for, and my personal experience using the tool. Plancorp offers a highly personalized and robust financial planning service, specifically tailored to individuals who are serious about preparing for retirement and want a comprehensive, fee-only advisory experience. It's designed for those who value a well-rounded, professional approach to financial planning, beyond just DIY tools. One of the main strengths of the Plancorp Retirement Planner is its focus on goal-based planning. The tool goes beyond basic financial projections and takes a holistic approach, assessing various aspects of your financial life, including savings, investments, expenses, and retirement goals. The process involves inputting detailed financial data, allowing the planner to generate a custom strategy that aligns with your personal financial goals. What sets Plancorp apart is the integration of financial advisors into the process. This isn't just a software tool, but a blend of technology and human expertise, giving you a professional-level plan that adjusts with your financial needs. Plancorp is especially suitable for those who prefer guidance from a financial advisor, but also want access to powerful financial tools. The platform uses advanced simulations, such as Monte Carlo analysis, to stress test your retirement plan under different market conditions, providing a realistic picture of your financial future. It also gives personalized recommendations on investment strategies, tax efficiency, and cash flow management, helping you optimize your path to retirement. This retirement planner is best for individuals or families who have diverse financial portfolios and need customized advice, particularly those who don't want to leave anything to chance. Plancorp's fee-only model also ensures that advice is unbiased, with no product sales or hidden agendas influencing your strategy. It's a top choice for those seeking a high-quality, professional financial planning service that combines human expertise with sophisticated tools. If you're looking for a retirement planning tool that covers all angles and adapts to your changing needs, Plancorp is a solid contender. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description to learn more.